What up, peeps? I'm back here again with another video, and I mean this one. I don't know what to say about this one, but you know what? I'm not gonna keep you here any longer. Check this out. Rocking my dashiki. They're making bully beef. What the hell is going on here, man? Jesus Christ, yeah, these people are freaking crazy, man. I don't know what to say. I swear to God, I don't know. This video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Peace.